Good morning, everyone. Here we have a 1982 Galaxy 12-inch brown bladed table fan. I picked this up at the same thrift store. I got the Eastern Electric blender and the Hamilton Beach hand mixer. This fan was $15. I love this fan. I've always wanted a brown one. This is like this is like the cousin to my blue one. Only this runs a little bit better than my blue one. Cosmetically, this is in okay shape. The back, where the motor housing is all yellowed, as you can see. But otherwise, and the handle's yellowed too, so I don't use it often. But other than that, it's in pretty decent condition. Although my blue one has all its cage clips, this one does not, unfortunately. This one was held with wires, and I clipped those off, and I used twist ties, because it's just safer that way, and I don't have to struggle to get them off, because who the hell wants to struggle to take a fan apart and clean it? It's a lot of work. But anyway, this works really well. It runs faster than my blue one, and I'm going to start off on low, unsteady. And it seems like to me this is more powerful than my blue one as well. My blue Lasco. Use medium. Also, the buttons like to stick too, especially the high speed button, which I'm not too worried about it, honestly. And high. And I'll turn the oscillator on. Also has that creak too. This fan will definitely be using in the summertime. Pretty soon, actually. Medium. That time the button didn't stick, which was good. I put this away because we had a really bad cold snap on Saturday night. It was down to in the below, like 30 below, -7 when I woke up Saturday morning. So, really bad and low. If anyone knows what that creaking is and if it's really dangerous, let me know. I don't think it is, honestly. I've seen other fans have it. I think Jordan Yu from YouTube has one just like this. Only his is in amber. And I'll make it steady now. And we'll shut it off. Comment, like, subscribe. Bye-bye.